And I'm in two-wheel drive.
You're in two-wheel drive.
I'm in two-wheel drive, and I was not going to talk real loud so that.
Oh, you can. That's all right.
This is two-wheel drive. The driveway is, all they have right here is the driveway. We've not really gotten to the actual property line yet.
Okay. Is it an easement over someone else's land?
No, what happened, this used to be a county road long time ago.
Oh.
5 people owned property that joined this road when it was a county road.
Okay.
So everybody that touches this has a permanent right-of-way that can never ever be changed.
Oh, good deal.
So like the gate back there, the red gate, there normally is one that they shut, but they can't legally lock it unless everybody has a combination that has the part.
It has a key,
if that makes sense.
Yep, that makes sense.
This right here, it's a person, they live behind my sellers, but they've not been here since November of 19. There's no fear of it going anywhere. They have a disabled son. They live in Houston, Texas, and they've not been there since November of 2019.
Oh.
It's a shame.
It's a COVID thing.
Well, they just, I don't really know what.
Okay.
The driveway is like right at a mile long.
Okay.
And if I don't forget, it's easier for me to point out the property line coming back down because I miss it every time this way.
Okay.
Sorry, no, I was just driving like a slave.
Nope, you're all right. You can move on. We're good.
Flag on in here. The varmint. And the reason I drive it like this, because I mean, it's one of those things, it's a gravel driveway, you can't creep. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you gotta go.
You just gotta go.
You don't want to get stuck.
They just had it scraped and some chat put down, whatever you call it, crush and run. Had some crush and run put down, and when they scraped it, because the water was running down here, they put these water breaks in. There's 3 of them.
Okay.
But still, I'm in two-wheel drive. I'll tell you, the only time I have to put it 4-wheel drive was the steep part I was telling you about.
Really appreciate you meeting me. I could have walked it.
Oh,
I could have gotten
no.
probably up here.
No. I wouldn't want to walk it, so I wouldn't look at it. I'll just tell you.
I know. My husband says, "You sure you want that car? Because you get to some far out places."
See, it's